Imagine standing in a crowd of passionate environmental activists, holding signs demanding a greener future through plant-based diets and electric vehicles. The message is clear: eat less meat, drive more electric, and save the planet. But what if, beneath the slogans and idealism, there's a serious oversight, one that might actually harm the environment more than help it? Welcome to the hidden world of monocropping and EV battery production, two industries rarely scrutinized by the same activists who champion them. Let's unpack how these hidden environmental costs are often ignored and why it's time to rethink the solutions we've been sold. Plant-based diets have become synonymous with the green movement, with veggie burgers and soy milk marketed as eco-friendly alternatives to animal products. But there's a dirty little secret behind those fields of soy and corn: monocropping. Monocropping is the practice of growing a single crop over vast areas year after year. While efficient for mass production, it comes with significant environmental downsides. It depletes soil health, leaving land less fertile and dependent on chemical fertilizers, which lead to water pollution and long-term soil degradation. These barren fields lose biodiversity, eliminating natural ecosystems and vital pollinators like bees. Ironically, while plant-based products are sold as environmentally friendly, the farming methods used to produce them undermine biodiversity and ecological balance. Environmental activists often promote plant-based diets as a climate solution, but fail to address these destructive agricultural practices. Electric vehicles are similarly lauded as the future of sustainable transportation, but their batteries carry a hidden environmental price. EV batteries rely on materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel, which are extracted through mining practices that wreak havoc on ecosystems. Lithium extraction in South America and Australia depletes water supplies in already arid regions, harming local agriculture and communities. Cobalt, often mined in the Democratic Republic of Congo, is tied to human rights abuses, including child labor, and further degrades the environment. Once EV batteries reach the end of their life cycle, recycling becomes a significant challenge. Current recycling technologies are expensive and inefficient, leaving many batteries in landfills where they leach harmful chemicals. These hidden costs complicate the narrative that EVs are a clean alternative to traditional vehicles. The environmental movement has made incredible strides in raising awareness about climate change, but there's a disconnect between intentions and outcomes. Activists often oversimplify the message: switch to plant-based diets, drive electric cars, and everything will improve. However, these narratives ignore the complexities of agriculture and EV production. Virtue signaling replaces practical solutions, focusing on trendy initiatives while overlooking their unintended consequences. It's easier to promote a meatless burger or an electric car than to confront the environmental harm of monocropping or the ethical dilemmas of battery production. So what's the solution? A shift toward regenerative agriculture offers a path forward. By emphasizing biodiversity, crop rotation, and soil health, regenerative farming practices sequester carbon, support ecosystems, and reduce chemical dependence. Investing in battery recycling technology and ethical mining practices can mitigate the environmental impact of EV production. Research into alternative battery technologies, like solid-state batteries, could further reduce reliance on harmful materials like cobalt. Additionally, localized solutions must replace global mandates. Encouraging local food production and supporting regional energy strategies allows for more adaptable, sustainable approaches that work for diverse communities. It's time to acknowledge that not all green solutions are created equal. While plant-based diets and electric vehicles are widely celebrated, their hidden environmental costs demand scrutiny. By addressing the true impacts of monocropping and EV battery production, we can develop sustainable solutions that deliver on their promises without creating new problems. Moving beyond surface-level rhetoric to confront these deeper issues will ensure that our efforts to fight climate change are genuinely effective and lasting.